Hi, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to be talking about the ketogenic diet and sharing some meal ideas and recipes for a day in the life of a keto dieter. The ketogenic diet, or keto for short, is a high-fat, low-carbohydrate diet that has been shown to have numerous health benefits, including weight loss and improved blood sugar control. On the keto diet, you'll be aiming to get most of your calories from healthy fats, moderate amounts of protein, and very few carbohydrates. This can take some getting used to, but with a little planning and some delicious recipes, you can easily stick to the diet and enjoy a variety of satisfying meals. So, what does a typical day on the keto diet look like? Here are some meal ideas and recipes to get you started. Breakfast. Start your day off with a keto-friendly breakfast, like eggs cooked in avocado oil with spinach and bacon, or a smoothie made with almond milk, avocado, and protein powder. Lunch. For lunch, try a keto-friendly salad made with mixed greens, avocado, and grilled chicken, or a bowl of zucchini noodles topped with marinara sauce and ground beef. Dinner. Dinner options might include a hearty keto chili made with ground beef, tomatoes, and peppers, or a simple grilled salmon with roasted vegetables. Snacks. For snacks, you might try a small handful of nuts, a slice of cheese, or a low-carb protein bar. With a little bit of planning and some tasty recipes, it's easy to stick to the keto diet and enjoy a variety of satisfying meals. We hope these ideas and recipes have given you some inspiration for your own keto journey. Thanks for watching. For more details on the complete weight loss plan, the link is in the description.